Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the exception unknown software error 0xc0000409 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that the exception unknown software exception occurred in the application at location 0x0042 4C72. Click OK to terminate the program. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Open up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the View By at the top right, and you want to select where it says Category View. And now underneath Programs, select where it says Uninstall a Program. Locate the Visual C++ applications listed in here. There may be more than one. Just select the first one you want to address here. You're going to end up doing any or all of them in here, I should say, anyway. But we're going to select the first one and then select the Change button. Select Repair. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then I'm going to close out of here. I'm not going to restart it right now. I'm going to do the same thing for the other item in here as well. We're going to repair that. Again, make sure you're selecting Repair and not the Uninstall option. Close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with Command Prompt. Right-click on it. Run as administrator. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And now you want to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once it has concluded, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point or issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.